Hello, and welcome to Rural Community Assistance Corporation's Virtual Recharge Our Community's Economy workshop series. My name is Amity Rimbold, and I'm a Rural Development Specialist with RCAC. During this short introduction module, we will introduce Rural Community Assistance Corporation, the local organization or organizations we've partnered with in your community, and our funder for this virtual workshop series. We will highlight the Recharge Our Community's Economy, also referred to as ROC workshop goals. We will examine the new virtual ROC workshop series and how it differs from the type of in-person workshops you might be used to. And finally, we'll look at next steps. Rural Community Assistance Corporation was established as a nonprofit over 40 years ago. The organization is headquartered in Sacramento, California, but we serve and have employees located throughout a 13-state region that stretches from Alaska and Hawaii, Montana, and New Mexico. We provide training, technical, and financial resources and advocacy so rural communities can achieve their goals and visions. We primarily provide these services in the areas of affordable housing, water and wastewater infrastructure, and community economic development. RCAC's Building Rural Economies program is the team dedicated to working with local partner organizations in rural communities to identify, plan, and implement community economic development projects and train entrepreneurs for business startup or expansion. The goals of the Building Rural Economies program include supporting the development of businesses and projects that attract additional investments, increasing opportunities for sustainable community development and job creation, and developing the supportive business environment needed for economic development to thrive. On the Fort Belknap and Rocky Boy reservations, RCAC has partnered with Opportunity Link Incorporated to bring you this virtual workshop series. On the Northern Cheyenne Reservation, we have partnered with People's Partner for Community Development and Native American Development Corporation. Contact information for the appropriate local partner organization in your community is included in the front of your workbook. The virtual ROC workshop series was developed and is being facilitated by RCAC and its local partners thanks to generous funding from the U.S. Department of Commerce Minority Business Development Agency. The ROC curriculum is influenced by several cutting-edge programs and tools, including WealthWorks and the Icehouse Entrepreneurship Program. We will refer to these programs throughout the workshop series. RCAC and our local partners collaborate with ROC workshop participants to revitalize their community by rediscovering underutilized assets and resources in the community and surrounding region, and re-envisioning the resiliency, self-sufficiency, and sustainability of their community. We refer to these activities together as recharging a community's economy. This work is especially important now. The coronavirus pandemic and resulting shelter-in-place orders have highlighted and intensified issues that commonly exist in rural communities, including rural tribal communities. Issues like economic leakage when people are forced to leave their community to purchase everyday necessities, and issues like food sovereignty and access to affordable, healthy, fresh foods. The ROC workshop series is designed to introduce concepts and tools that can be used to identify, plan, and implement strategies to help address these and other issues. Typically, the ROC workshop series is conducted as in-person workshops facilitated or led by our RCAC staff and our local partner organization in each community. However, over the last few months, COVID has drastically impacted all of our lives and challenged us to develop new ways of doing things. This change led RCAC and our partners to develop the new virtual ROC workshop series. The new virtual workshops have been designed for communities with limited access to computers and/or high-speed internet service. It uses a unique combination of pre-recorded modules, workbooks, online interactive sessions, and Facebook groups. In addition to this short introduction, there are 6 pre-recorded virtual ROC workshop series modules. The pre-recorded modules are available to stream online and through an iPad lending library maintained by Opportunity Link Incorporated for workshop participants on the Fort Belknap and Rocky Boy reservations, and maintained by People's Partner for Community Development for participants on the Northern Cheyenne Reservation. Please note there are only a limited number of iPads available for workshop participants in each community that don't have access to a computer or internet connection. The link to stream the pre-recorded modules online is included in your workbook. The workbook also has handouts, including a PowerPoint printout for each module, and activities that will help you dig deeper into the workshops and prepare for the online interactive sessions. It also includes contact information for your local partner organization in your community. Please reach out to them if you have questions or need assistance. Our CAC and our local partners will host a total of 6 separate online interactive sessions for participants in each community. These sessions will allow time for a quick review of concepts and activities introduced in the pre-recorded modules, for questions from participants, and for interaction among participants based on the economic or business opportunities being identified in each community. The online interactive sessions will be conducted using GoToMeeting. Participants with access to a computer and the internet can join by computer. However, if you don't have access to a computer or an internet connection, you can call into the sessions by phone. Please note the online interactive sessions will be exclusively for you and other participants from your specific community. Our CAC and our local partners have also created a Facebook group exclusively for the workshop participants in each community to encourage interaction and collaboration among virtual workshop participants and answer questions between online interactive sessions. The dates and times of the online interactive sessions with other participants in your community are listed in your workbook. The Virtual ROC Workshop Series Roadmap provides a graphic representation of the concepts and tools we will discuss during the pre-recorded modules and online interactive sessions. Throughout the workshops, a green dot will appear to show you where we are in the process. Finally, we look at next steps. Please take a moment to check your workbook and find the dates and times of online interactive sessions for members of your community, call-in information for the online interactive sessions, and contact information for the local partner organization in your community. Once you've identified this information, please watch the Virtual ROC Workshop Series Module Number 1. Complete the activities in Module Number 1, join your community's Facebook group, and join your community's first online interactive session. Thank you for participating in the Virtual ROC Workshop Series. We look forward to connecting with you during your community's upcoming online interactive sessions. In the meantime, please feel free to contact Nick Dorr with Opportunity Link Incorporated or Madison Wilhite with Native American Development Corporation if you have questions or need assistance. Contact information for these individuals is included in the front of your workbook.